conditioners are not running. It's off. All them off. Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that this air conditioner will turn on any minute. But yeah. Or any second. I'm not sure. Yeah. I don't want to get close to it because the technician might scare the crap out of me. So yeah, I decided to do some zoom in instead of getting close to it. Yeah. Yeah. I guess it has a Gentex motor or something like that. I don't know. Because the label is already faded. It's already faded. So yeah, I don't know what the number. Oh, sorry. What film model naming. But yeah, and it also has Emerson scroll compressor. Yeah. Alright, after the next one, last one. Alright, here's a GE window unit. It's also not running. Yeah. It's a Quicken with the compressor. And here's the Roland fan motor. Yeah. Yep, it's a pretty good shape. Yeah. It's pretty good shape. Although it has fiddles and coil. Oh, yeah, some water. Yeah. Wait, let me see if I. My camera's not focused because I was too close to it, so. Yeah, and the compressor is all of us on the top. You see it right here? On the top of it. Yeah, you guys don't see it. Yeah. And over here too. It's it's getting a little bit rusty, but not a little bit much. Yeah. Alright, that's it. This is the 2023 General Drake 4000 B2 under air conditioner and 2017 Goodman package 5-ton package heat pump, and all air conditioners not running. Thank you for watching, and over and out. See ya. And have a good summer, guys. Really, bye.